stories, it doesn't look like it actually happened, but it actually did happen. And that's why I'm sort of making this video. Because people think it's such a stupid idea, but it's really not. You just have to actually have common sense and actually have an actual background in the stuff you're working with. Because if you're not, you're no point to be arguing. So yeah. So now on to the next one. Alright, so let's say we have our little planet. This is going to be still on number 9. The rocket doesn't go straight up. So let's say we have our little planet. I know, horribly drawn circle, and we have our lem. Some antennas and stuff. Alright, so that's our lem right there. Now, let's say we have to go a certain distance to actually escape the gravity of the moon in order to go home. So let's just make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, no, 5. 5 will be easier. Alright, so now this is just regular escape. This would have to be using escape velocity. Now, the little lem, with its engine only providing 1/5, actually can't do that. It can do it, but not with the amount of fuel. The amount of fuel it would have to have is just too great, and we wouldn't have enough fuel to actually make it home and actually slow it down enough and to actually guide it into Earth's gravity and Earth's atmosphere. So what we do is we go in a circle. And by doing it in a circle, we increase the overall distance and we increase the time. And it basically works out to a smaller force. And I'll kind of show that. And I'll try and show that as best as possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up. And then we're going to gradually get further and further from the moon. Just like that. I know it's a little messed up right here, but that's not the point. The point is this part right here. Notice this distance. This distance is about twice as long, rather than just one distance. Now you have to think it's the distance from the moon to where you are. So it's actually right here. So now these two distances right here and right here are actually the same. But what we've done is we've increased the overall distance of the thing. So this actually makes it, you're going the same speed, so let's say 5 miles per hour. So you're going 5 miles per hour but over a longer distance, which decreases the force. So the escape velocity over a larger distance, which would be a larger impulse, which is delta t, actually makes it, you don't need as much force to go the same distance. Alright, last one is rocket size. This is also another big one. People don't think that such a small rocket can move such a big hunk of metal up and out of space. And as you saw in the last video about the orbit and everything, there's a thing called gravity. And gravity changes upon the size of the object that has it. So Earth, being much bigger than the moon, has much more gravity. And it is about 1/5 difference. So something on Earth is going to weigh 1/5 its original weight on the moon. So like a 5-pound weight on Earth is only going to weigh about 1 pound on the moon. That is why the rocket only has to lift 1/5 its weight, as in the number 8 and number 9. All right. So that's pretty much it. I really couldn't find any other ones. But yeah, if you are one of those people that think that it is fake, feel free to leave a comment or actually even do a video response and say why I'm wrong in any of these, or if there's another one that I haven't explained that you'd like me to explain. And if you're going to leave something, make sure you can back it up. I don't want to see something like the purple didn't look like the purple it should be on the moon. And if it's more than one incident, like if there's a photograph or something and there's other photographs of it, but there's one that you can't prove, then don't even bother putting that. Because by you saying that, well, there's this photograph and there's this photograph, there's 3 photographs, but on these 2 it looks fake. This one I don't know about, but these 2 it's fake. Because you're still saying, and you're still admitting that we did go. Because if one of them's real, then we obviously went, and then you're obviously wrong on the other 2. So if you have a collection of incidences, make sure that all of them you can prove that they are fake. And I'm actually very interested to see, because it actually is pretty funny to me and pretty humorous. That's why I'm making this video. Think that people actually think that it is fake. So yeah, just leave a comment, or actually even better, I would appreciate an actual video response, because you can actually put more than 10 minutes long and back it up, and then I will actually try and prove it wrong. And so yeah.